What's going on, YouTube? What is going on, family? Listen, I'm back. I'm back. Yeah. Now, listen, family. I want to start a video off with that beat because your boy came from the bottom to the top, and I'm here. I've been sick and everything, family, but now I got some new content for 2026. And word on the street, folks don't want to pay their income taxes for 2026. You must want to go to jail. So check this out.
Here, let me tell you something. I'm sitting here looking at my pay stub year to date, and it said that I paid, as of December 1st, $30,000 in taxes. Simultaneously, I'm scrolling through TikTok, and the things that are there are, the same rhetoric. Immigrants don't contribute to this country. Immigrants are criminals. Immigrants do this. Immigrants do that. Immigrants leech off of our government. Quite frankly, I fund your government. People like me who have been here for over 20 years, we are funding your shit, bitch. I'm from a donor state. All my taxes I have paid in a donor state. I'm grateful to have a status in this country, but I know so many people contributing to the tax system who don't have their status. It's the same shit every year, bro. Like, my taxes that they take out makes me want to be sick because $30,000 fucking dollars, bro, that shit is unfair.
Well, guess what? Congratulations to you, young lady. Welcome to America. And you keep going with that rhetoric, this is where you're going to end up. Yes, that's what the United States do to people who don't want to pay their taxes. But we're going to keep the show rolling.
Okay, there's actually a lot of people doing that, oddly enough, and people are actually deciding not to file right now because they think the IRS is going out of business. And I don't know where that's out there, but there's no way the IRS can go out of business. All right, here's what happens. IRS is a big computer, and it is getting those same documents that you get. So they're getting copies of your W-2, your 1099s, your mortgage interest, all that stuff. And they will send you a note that says, please file a return. And after 3, 4, 5 letters, it'll send you one that says, if you don't file, we're just going to file one for you. It's called a commissioner filed return. And they aren't going to give you any deduction. Then they'll send you a notice saying, please pay this bill. And if you don't, they will put you into their own little collection thing and eventually send you a letter that says, we're going to levy the money you owe us. And
boom.
If I don't file,
you will be
twos or 1099.
Don't care.
Going to jail, family. Ask me how I know. See, family, here's something you all may not know about me. I've lived a long life and I've done some crazy things. And I have been on the other side of not paying taxes. And Uncle Sam raked me over the coals. And I'm going to be honest with you. So let's keep the show rolling.
That's exempt from federal taxes. That's right. All year on your W-4, exempt, no federal taxes coming out of your income. There's this thing called income filing requirements. It's based on your filing status, your income, and your age. For example, if you're single under the age of 65 and you don't earn more than $15,750, you don't have a requirement to file. Therefore, you won't have a tax liability, and therefore, you can be exempt on your W-4 all year. You don't pay taxes. You don't earn enough to pay taxes. You had a household under the age 65, $23,625. If you earn less than that, you can be exempt all year. You won't have a tax liability. You don't have a filing requirement. The only reason that you're filing a tax return is to claim those refundable credits. Married filing jointly, $31,500. You earn less than that, exempt. And no, you ain't getting over on the system or none of that. Not at all. You're only filing a tax return to claim refundable credits. And if you happen to did have some federal taxes withheld, you'll get that back too. Because you don't pay taxes. You don't have a filing requirement. You don't have a tax liability. See how that works? It's when you start earning more, then we need to look at that W-4. And it is January. You looked at your W-4 yet? Y'all keep asking me when you're supposed to do that. You're supposed to be doing it right now. It's the beginning of the year. Yeah. Hey, do the things to my buttons. Y'all be slack.
So listen, family. Like I said earlier, if you do not file your taxes, this is going to be your life. Where's Nikki? Do you want this for your life? Fresh meat. That's what they call it. So listen, family. It's a new year. We're doing new things. But I just had to make this short and sweet video to warn you guys. I don't care what you see on TikTok. I don't care what you hear on the streets. File your taxes. Take it from me. Till the next episode, family. You be blessed.